Guys, to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Bleach sound problem easy and quick. So to fix this problem on your Bleach game, open the settings of your device, click at apps option, and right now search for Bleach. Click on it when you will find it. Scroll here down this list. Now click storage option, click clear cache here, and after this back, click on for stop, click OK. So go now to Play Store or App Store and update Bleach. Restart here your device right now, and that's all. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and